Do not quit this video if you want to increase views on your videos. If you are tired of low views on all your videos, I'm going to show you 2 secret formulas I discovered which is helping my channel if not quickly. These methods will work for any channel but at a slow rate. You have to watch through to the end of this video to get all the juice you need to make the success you have been dreaming about a reality. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this for beginners like you and I. I would be using my analytics for this video and you're going to see really low views and graphs because I am a beginner just like you. The first secret to increase views on YouTube is picking up a niche to double down on. You probably have been watching videos from top YouTubers telling you that you need to actually pick a niche that is very profitable on YouTube and has a very high CPM. But picking a niche is creating videos based on your talent or passion. If you love cooking, then you should make videos on cooking because that is what you enjoy doing. And the reason for this is if you make videos on your passion, let's say music, then you would enjoy what you are doing and will do it well no matter the ups and downs you face as a YouTuber, than someone who loves music but makes videos on cooking. It will just make you frustrated. So pick up a niche based on your interest and double down on that. Looking at my channel, you can see that after I took tech tutorial videos as my niche on YouTube, I have been having a stable amount of views coming in daily than when I didn't have a niche and my channel was all over the place. You can see there were times I didn't even get any views coming in to my channel. Let us know in the comment section what niche you have or are planning to double down on YouTube. Now the second secret formula I discovered that can help you increase your views on YouTube is consistency. You have heard this from every big channel out there that the only way to succeed on YouTube is being consistently, and that is very right, especially if you're a small channel. Consistency is basically choosing an upload schedule you follow for your channel. Is it posting once, twice, or 3 times in a week? You should choose an upload schedule you are very comfortable with. Looking at my channel's analytics, you can see that from the time I started posting consistently, I have been receiving decent amount of views coming into my channel, even though they aren't huge numbers. Being consistent does not only mean uploading videos on a regular basis on a fixed time, it also means uploading the same type of content consistently. If it is videos you make, you should only post those videos consistently. So to grow your views on YouTube, you need to blend your niche with consistency, which is the only way to succeed on YouTube and which is the only way helping my channel, which is a small channel, to start picking up and being loved by the algorithm. Let us know in the comment section what your upload schedule looks like. If you have watched the video to this point and learned something new, kindly like the video and subscribe to this channel to get notified when we release a new video. If you want to learn how to upload videos to YouTube using vidIQ to increase your views, I will leave that video on the end card. See you next time. It's bye for now. Peace out.